So people ask me, what's the subject of a patent? Like, when do you get a patent? Well, a lot of times when you come up with a product that solves a problem that the industry has been dealing with for a while, and you come up with a product that solves that problem, that will be the subject of a patent application. Let me give you an example. You know, we all have used electric toothbrush. Well, before there was electric toothbrush, it was just a toothbrush, and somebody said, you know what, if you put a motor on that toothbrush and you can turn it on and off, it'll do a much better job of cleaning the teeth than to have your hand manually brush your teeth. And so you talk to a patent attorney about that and tell him about that product, and then they say, yeah, I can do that. They prepare a patent application, they put some drawings, they put a little motor that's attached to the brushes, got an on and off switch, and before you know it, you got a new product, an electric toothbrush, a proper subject matter for a patent application. And you file it with the patent office, the examiner looks at it. If nothing like that has been done before, or if it's not obvious in view of what's been done in the past, guess what? You may get yourself a patent issued to your name. Just what is a trademark? Trademark is a name, is a logo, is a branding process. So whenever you have a product, whenever you have a service that you want to put to the market, you got to tell everybody who is behind it. Well, you use the trademark to convey that message, and you brand it as such. The powerful thing about trademarks is all you have to do is pick something that's kind of fanciful and random and not descriptive, and then you own it. Well, of course, you have to come to me and let me register it for you so the whole world that you belongs to you, but you don't have to buy it. You don't have to pay anybody for it. All you have to do is select it and then use it. Well, you can even reserve it for a period of time if you intend to use it in the future. I can file what's called an intent to use application, that if I get it, you'll have up to 3 years to decide whether you want to use it or not. Of course, every 6 months you have to renew it and pay a fee to the patent office for the right of reservation, right? But other than that, you start using it and it belongs to you. It's a property right, and it's an intellectual property right that you can put as an asset of your business. And that is a trademark. So let me tell you about copyrights. It's the expression of an idea that's protected from being copied by somebody else. The best example is a book. You put all the effort of writing a book and all the times, all the hours. You don't want somebody to just copy the book and pay 2 cents a page for copying it and then selling it at a lower price than you are. So what you do is you go to the copyright office, or you come to me, and you get a copyright registration. Once you have that, the right to copy that document, that book, only belongs to you. And if somebody else copies it, guess what? They're in violation of federal copyright laws, something you don't want to find yourself in. What are some of the other examples of copyright? Well, let's say you come up with a song and you work on it, you come up with a song, the music, you get a copyright registration for that song so that nobody can copy it without your permission. And that, my friend, is copyright.